Get it, Johanna.
Oh, she always kicks it right into it.
Kick it sideways.
Tell me, you don't want to kick the ball?
Yeah, she got afraid when she didn't understand he was wanting to play. Good boy, Ayden. He's getting tired.
Selma, what are you putting in your mouth? Don't eat a rock.
What the heck? Why not?
Sharpening your teeth?
Yeah.
You see that rock, Selma? Did I see it?
Plenty of rocks to play with.
This one, you want one? Mom, did you crack that nut?
No, I couldn't let her get it. He's very careful.
Oh, Ayden doesn't care. He just wants to play.
What were the chestnuts?
Get it, Addie. Get it. Ryiad's bound and determined. He's going to get that ball. Yeah.